Want to become a dental nurse and work towards NHS dental nurse roles? Here is a clear step-by-step pathway. Step 1. Understand the role. Dental nurses support the dental team, prepare the surgery, follow infection control procedures, assist during treatment, and help patients feel at ease. Step 2. Choose a recognized qualification. One common route is the NEBDN Level 3 Diploma in Dental Nursing, which supports the knowledge, skills, and professional behaviors needed for dental nursing practice. Step 3. Build real clinical experience. Dental nursing is practical, so placement or workplace experience helps you connect classroom learning with patient care. Step 4. Complete your portfolio and assessments. This is where you organize your evidence, prepare carefully, and show that you are ready for professional standards. Step 5. Apply for GDC registration after achieving a recognized qualification. Registration is an important milestone for qualified dental nurse roles. Step 6. Prepare for NHS applications. Build a clear CV, practice interview examples, and focus on patient care, teamwork, infection control, communication, and reliability. At London Waterloo Academy, learners can explore flexible study options, including part-time, virtual, and blended learning, with support for placements, CVs, and interview preparation. Start your dental nursing pathway with London Waterloo Academy.